Hello, if you want to know how to take screenshots on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, then you have several methods. The first method is by using the volume down and power button at the same time. So all you need to do is simply press both buttons at the same time. There we go, and we have our screenshot. Now another way to do so is by using three fingers, so you can press and hold your finger on three of your fingers on the screen. And there we go, we have the screenshot. And in addition to that, we can also go to the quick access over here, and here we can try to find the screenshot button and we can press it in order to also take the screenshot. Now in addition to that, if the three finger method doesn't work for you, or if you want to turn it off, you can go to the settings, open the gestures, and then over here you have three finger screenshot. Here you can enable and disable the option. You can also go to the settings in order to add exceptions in which apps this method should not work. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!